Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. To all of our viewers that celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas Eve. I hope you're able to enjoy the holiday and some quality family time, take some time off work, eat some yummy food, get some presents. All right, this week we're going to talk about a project between Unleash Live, which is an AI video analytics provider, and Elon Musk's Starlink, where they have partnered up to enable remote drone flights. We also have some exciting news about the Parrot Anafi Ai. And finally, the DJI Rumors for 2022 have already started. We're going to talk through the latest anticipations for the new year. Let's get into the stories. Elon Musk's company SpaceX has a division called Starlink, and they recently teamed up with Australian company Unleash Live, an AI video analytics provider. The project? Fly a drone over 100 miles away. Using Unleash Live's new AutoFly software and Starlink's network of low Earth orbiting satellites, drone operators in Sydney were able to fly a drone located in a remote area that was 124 miles away. 2 tests were performed using this long-range remote control, people counting and tracking by drone, and power line fault detection by drone. Now that these tests have been completed, Unleash Live has released a beta version of the AutoFly software, which means that more drone operators may soon have the ability to conduct similar remote operations, though they'll still need regulatory permission to do so, of course. Next up, the Parrot Anafi Ai is now available for pre-order. Parrot unveiled the Anafi Ai back in July, which uses Verizon 4G LTE connectivity to operate. The AI is the first drone ever to use 4G as the main data link between the drone and the remote control, and according to Parrot, this gives it enhanced transmission capabilities and enables precise control at any distance. The AI also has robust cybersecurity, since it secures the link between the drone and the drone pilot's device using an embedded secure element, which gives each drone a unique ID. The Anafi AI will cost about $4,000 and will start shipping in January from Parrot resellers around the world. You can follow the link below to learn more. Okay, lastly, this year has been a doozy when it comes to DJI releases, with DJI launching its FPV drone back in March, then a series of 3 products later in the year that ended with the release of the highly anticipated Mavic 3. But DJI is never one to rest, and we're already starting to hear rumors about what it might have in store for 2022. According to an industry insider, next year we might see these launches: the DJI Mini 3 in April, the RS3 and RS-C3 in June, the FPV Mini in July, the Inspire 3 in September, and finally the DJI Pocket 3 in November. If these rumors prove to be true, the biggest news by far would be the Inspire 3. The Inspire 2 came way back in 2016, ancient history in the drone industry, and enthusiasts have been demanding a 3rd iteration of the Inspire for years now. We should note that all of this information, including the timeline, is still very speculative, but the good news is that once DJI leaks start, they don't stop. If the Inspire 3 or any of these other products really are coming out, we are sure to hear about it and report on it soon enough. All right, folks, that's all we have for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news. Remember to check out the links below to read more. Thanks for watching, and to all of you drone pilots out there, blue skies, safe flying, and Merry Christmas.